Hello everyone. Welcome to Digital Marketing 101, a beginner's guide to mastering online advertising. My name is Jack Bodig, and I'm excited to share my knowledge with you today. In this video, we're going to cover the basics of digital marketing and give you the tools you need to start reaching your target audience and growing your business online. As you know, digital marketing is more important than ever. With the rise of e-commerce and social media, consumers are spending more and more time online, and it's crucial for businesses to have a strong online presence. In this video, we're going to cover the key concepts and strategies that you need to know to get started with digital marketing. Let's start with the basics. Search engine optimization, or SEO, is the process of optimizing a website in order to improve its visibility in search engine results pages, or SERPs. The goal of SEO is to increase both the quantity and the quality of traffic to a website from search engines. To get started with SEO, you need to do some keyword research. This means identifying the phrases that people are using to search for products or services like yours. Once you have a list of keywords, you can start optimizing your website's content and structure to make it more attractive to search engines. Another important aspect of SEO is backlinks. These are links from other websites that point to your website. Search engines consider them to be a sign of authority and credibility, so the more backlinks you have, the better. One way to get more backlinks is by creating high-quality content that is useful and informative, so other websites will want to link to it. Now let's talk about pay-per-click advertising, or PPC. This is a form of online advertising in which advertisers pay each time a user clicks on one of their ads. The main platforms for PPC advertising are Google Ads and Bing Ads. The goal of PPC advertising is to increase the visibility of your website and drive traffic to it, by placing ads at the top of the search engine results pages. When setting up PPC campaign, it's important to set clear goals and track your results. Whether your goal is to increase sales, generate leads, or drive website traffic, it's important to set specific, measurable goals so you can evaluate the success of your PPC campaigns. Social media marketing is another important aspect of digital marketing. Social media platforms like Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter have billions of users, making them a powerful tool for reaching potential customers. By creating engaging and informative content, businesses can build a following and connect with their target audiences. In conclusion, digital marketing is essential for any business looking to reach and connect with their target audiences online. By understanding the basics of SEO, PPC, social media marketing, and email marketing, you can start to develop a comprehensive strategy that will help you reach your goals and grow your business. Remember to be creative and have fun with it. Always be open to experimenting, testing and analyzing your efforts, learning from your successes and failures. If you're new to digital marketing, start by focusing on one or two strategies and mastering them before moving on to others. And don't be afraid to seek help from professionals or to invest in online courses or tutorials to further develop your skills. And don't forget to keep up with the latest trends and developments in the industry. Thank you for watching. We hope you found this video informative and helpful. If you have any further questions or want to learn more about digital marketing, don't hesitate to reach out to us. Remember to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this one. And, as always, happy marketing.